Hello, and welcome to this video. This is some of my top recommendations for magic theory books. And my name is Darin Martineau, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. I really appreciate the support. Now, in this video, like I said, we're going to talk about some of my favorite books, magic theory books. Now, in these books, you're not going to find magic, but you are going to find out how to create better magic and how to have stronger structure in your magic. My number one recommendation, and one of the very best, if I was stranded on an island, this is the book that I would take with me. If I was only going to take one book on theories, it would be NEALE Magic Artistry by S.H. Sharpe. Why? Is because he really just goes into so much detail on structuring the art of magic. I based my book, which I call Fine Art Magic. I have a lot of his concepts in there, which I've expanded on, and so if you'd like to see my book, I call it The Surreal System, Creating Fine Art Magic. You can look on my Amazon, click on the link. But in this book, NEALE Magic Artistry, S.H. Sharpe goes into so much depth on the structure of magic, from the different types of magicians to the different types of magic to structuring every aspect of your show. So I want to recommend that as my first recommendation. Next one is going to be also by S.H. Sharpe, and it's called Conjurers, Psychological Secrets. And this is an incredible, incredible book. And you'll go in depth into the program structure of your magic. Okay. The next one that's on the same type of structure magic theory book is called Maximum Entertainment by Ken Weber, and this is a really incredible book as well, where you can. It's not going to teach you the magic routines or tricks per se. It's going to be more of improving your presentation, your showmanship, structuring your magic, how to structure it so that it's progressively stronger. You know, beginning, middle, end, how to interact with the audience better, how to do all these different aspects to make it the most magical entertainment you can. So that's Maximum Entertainment by Ken Weber, and that's my third recommendation. My fourth recommendation is called Do the Stuff That's You, and it's by CAREY. And in this book, he starts off with a really, really awesome questionnaire, and it asks you questions. You know, do you like magic with props or sleight of hand? Because really, this is discovering the magic and the stuff that's you. And so in this book, it's a really cool book. I want you to check that out. Okay. Now, the next one's going to be Magic and Meaning by Eugene Berger and Robert Neal, and this is a very important aspect to bring your meaning into the magic. Okay, so there are some routines that are taught in that book by Eugene Berger and Robert Neal, but that is another book that I want you to take a look at to make your magic stronger. Is adding the meaning and the symbolic meaning, so that instead of literal demonstration, you get symbolic demonstration. Okay, the next one is for a theory book is by JAMI and Swiss, and it's called Shattering Illusions. Shattering Illusions is a really incredible book on magic theory, and he has a lot of his essays in there as well. The next couple books I want to recommend is by Darwin ORTIZ. It's Strong Magic and Designing Illusions, and this is by Darwin ORTIZ. Strong Magic is got some really awesome. It's got it's got several really awesome ideas that I've actually taken and put my own twist on. One of them is where he does a transposition with the color of the objects, and I'll have you go and find that in there. I don't want to give away too much here, but thank you very much for watching this video, and please like, subscribe, and check out more of my videos. I'm going to have an incredible top 10 series where I go in depth on the magic books and videos and magicians and all different subjects. Thank you, and have a great day.